comfortable with Hindi as well?
This is okay, sir. This is okay.
English is okay, eh?
English okay. No issues, sir. Both are issues, no issues.
Okay. So, I was explaining that this mission was accepted by the government of India as a national police mission under Micro Mission 06.
Okay.
And as on date, I am heading this mission as a project head.
It is under MHA, sir?
It is, you can say under MHA.
Okay.
Rather, I always prefer to say under umbrella of BPRND.
Which one?
Under umbrella of BPRND, Bureau of Police Research and Development.
Okay.
That I prefer that terminology because it was not originally under MHA. It was with the PMO, Prime Minister Office. In 2014, it was shifted to Home and then it came down to the BPRND.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So, as I explained that majority of the politicians, they are the criminal.
Yes, sir.
And as you know, even if you want to be a peon,
okay,
you have to be a person of the educated person with the good moral character.
Okay.
It is absolutely unfortunate that our politicians,
yes, sir,
they are the people of the criminal record and they are sometimes illiterate and they are not the good people.
Yes, even they are not fit for coolie work, sir.
You are very rightly said that they are not suitable for any job,
yes,
and still they are decision maker and deciding our destiny.
Yes,
they are called lawmaker.
Yes, sir.
And now situation has worsened.
Yes, sir.
They don't prefer any good people. They only give the ticket to the bad people,
yes,
the
sir,
people with the criminal record, people those who are exploiter, people of those who are corrupt.
Yes, sir.
They are given the ticket. Do you agree with that?
That's 100%, sir.
Okay. And now if we talk about, we never got freedom.
Yes, sir.
Basically, we got power, transfer of power
Okay.
under an act which was promulgated in British Parliament on
Okay.
17th of July 1947.
Okay.
And it was not a independence, it was a transfer of power.
Okay.
Our politicians did many agreement and compromises
Okay.
without telling these details to the people.
Yes, sir.
And you are imposed all British rules, act, etc.,
Yes, sir.
which Britishers had made
Okay.
deliberately to insult you, to exploit you.
Yes, sir.
The same set of the rule, even after 75 years of so-called independence,
Okay.
are still imposed on you as on date.
That is right. That's true, sir.
That is true. Now, the second aspect,
Yes, sir.
that is the administrative and judicial system,
Yes, sir.
which basically could hang our freedom fighter without much of the fault.
Okay.
The same system in which a handful of the Britishers
Yes, sir.
using Indians against Indian
Yes, sir.
could rule this country and exploit and insult Indians.
Okay.
Right? Do you agree with that?
That's true, sir.
And the same set of rules,
Yes, sir.
they have been imposed on us.
Okay.
So the politicians are the bad. Rules and act and administrative and judicial system, it is colonial system which was created with the intent not only to exploit you but to insult you also, to humiliate you also.
Yes, yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now after 75 years of the independence,
Yes, sir.
nothing, no improvement is coming. People are suffering very badly because of the bad laws.
Yes, sir.
It is taking many years to get redressal. The police and other organs of the administration, they are not taking cognizance of the grievance of the people.
Yes, sir.
And all of us, we behave like a lords.
Yes, yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
True, sir. True, sir.
Now, Now, these politicians are not going to give you a good India.
Yes, yes.
So, Crime Free Bharat जो है came out with the 21 objectives
Okay.
to transform this nation,
Okay.
and that's the name is Crime Free Bharat Mission with 21 objective to make it happen.
Okay, okay, sir.
So, I will request you
Yes, sir.
to search for the Crime Free Bharat YouTube channel,
Okay, okay.
and there are more than 3,000
Yes, sir.
videos available,
Okay.
which you can see from your own comfort, and then you can discover how
Okay.
it is going to transform this nation.
Okay, 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 okay.
Right?
Yes, right, sir.
So, basically, that important are that change this colonial rules will be changed, judicial system and administrative system would be made more transparent, more accountable,
Yes, sir.
and they will be amenable to give justice. They are not supposed to be corrupt. They are not supposed to take a wrong decision
Okay, okay.
under ulterior considerations.
Yes, sir.
And if they do that, they have to pay compensation.
Yes, sir.
And there is a crime-free Bharat with the 5 certainties.
Yes, sir.
So your FIR would be registered without visiting to police station.
Okay.
There is a crime-free Bharat techno engine which will enable the police to collect the evidence which are not possible as on date.
Okay.
And the charge sheet would be submitted within 15 days.
Okay.
And then crime-free Bharat video-based trial system,
Okay.
in which nobody will be going to court, so there will be a court trial without going to court,
Okay.
and everybody would be attending the court trial from the comfort of their house, including judges.
Okay.
So even judges would not be going to the court,
Okay, okay.
right?
Yes, sir.
And the court trial will be almost running round the clock,
Okay.
and thousands and lakhs of the channel would be simultaneously imparting justice.
Okay.
So justice would be made available within 30 days.
Okay.
At the moment, even it is taking more than 30 years. In few cases, it has taken more than 100 years as well.
That's some many cases are more than 50% kept as it is.
Very true, very true. I think that some cases decided very recently after 200 years.
Yes, yes, yes.
So now you can imagine
Yes, sir.
what kind of the system we are having.
Yes, yes.
So the new system,
Yes, sir.
it is saying we will do it ourselves by defeating politicians,
Okay.
right? And there is a model without even spending 5 paisa,
Okay.
you would be in position to defeat all politicians of all the parties
Okay.
without any discrimination or difference.
Okay.
And for making it happen, you need not to really spend a penny,
Okay. Okay.
right?
So 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, please be online, sir. I got another call. Just please be on.